What is going on, lovely ladies? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a little insight on exactly what to expect in a big part of your transitioning. What to expect when shaving your body for the first time and things you have to look out for. This is a big step for a lot of us. We have never done this and we never know what it actually feels like. So here are five things to keep in mind for the first time you are shaving your body. You're used to doing it for your face, but not so much your entire body. So here are some things to look out for. If you don't know a lot about me, my name is Dimitria and I'm here to make you the long, cool woman that I know you can be. And if you do like videos like this, please give me a like and subscribe because you will not want to miss what is next. So you want to get those manly legs out of there? I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to expect. So keep in mind, if you have never shaved before, you're probably going to have pretty long, hairy stuff going on all over your body. What you probably should do is give your body a trim first rather than going right in with a razor. You want to get to a length where it's prickly, not where it has that fluffy, soft feel. That means it's really long and it's gonna clog up the razor and you're not gonna get a good shave with that. Another thing you might wanna know, just like how your facial hair grows at different angles and directions, that's the same for your entire body. So for instance, on my legs, say this is my leg. So on the top, it goes this way, straight across. But when I get to the edges down here, it goes in like that, goes in like that. And then when I get to the back of my leg, they either grow in the direction this way, or on the same leg, it could grow this way at the same time. So be aware of that if you want those really bare legs that you want. A lot of cis women will not shave their arms because not enough really grows there. But before I was on hormones, when I was in the very first part of being on hormones, what you'll find is you'll have to get the wrist and your knuckles a lot more times than usual because this will grow out really, really fast. And that is definitely not what you want. You can probably get away with not shaving all the time across here because you'll likely be wearing something like that. There are gonna be parts that grow a little bit faster. My pits and the wrist to the knuckle region are gonna be a lot faster. So be very conscious about that. For also another thing, your traditional man's razor will likely do just fine in shaving your body for the first time. I want you to know you do not need to get a girl's shaving cream for your body. Like I said in my shaving cream 101 video, girl's shaving cream is essentially the same thing. It has the same ingredients as men's shaving gel for their face. The only differences are you're gonna be paying a little bit more for it and fragrance. So if you like girly fragrance, you're gonna do just fine. The big thing you will find when you're shaving for the first time, it's gonna be very itchy. That is the worst thing in the first few times you do this. Especially in your bikini line at your legs, your thighs, it's gonna be hell on earth. It's gonna be really, really bad. For one thing, it might be your technique as you've never shaved this part of your body before. You've only really done your face. But the real reason is your body just does not understand what you've done to it. So you have to understand it's gonna take a few times before that itch really goes away. To combat that itchiness, and this is something you should be doing after every full body shave, you wanna be using some sort of cream or lotion, or in this case, body butter, all over wherever you have shaved and the most sensitive areas. Like I said, shaving is a form of exfoliation. Your whole body is gonna be super raw after you've come out of the shower with a nice bare body. If you do have a lot of sensitivity, the one I recommend using is the Body Shop's Aloe Soothing Body Butter. This stuff is fantastic. I have not seen a better type of cream to use on your body after you shave. Doesn't hold a lot of fragrance. It is targeted for sensitive skin. So definitely try this out if you haven't. It is fantastic. Another tip I would give is if you plan to shave in the bathtub, if you have one, obviously the same thing goes with getting a good shave on your face. As in, you want to wet it first, you want to give it some hydration. In your body's case, try not to sit in water for too long. You do want to get it softened up and hydrated, but you'll find if you stay in the bathtub a little too much before you shave, your body becomes extra soft and it actually might end up being problematic. Your body will soften up and sponge up so much that there is a little bit of resistance when you shave. So stay in there for a good minute or two, tops. That will help the razor glide through a lot easier because you have hydrated it and lubricated it. You have softened it up, but you have not stayed in there too long with hot, warm water to where it gets a little stiff. Last thing I will tell you, this is very important. After you shave, because you will not be used to this, you will be freezing. If you go outside, it's gonna be a little rough. And even inside, because heat is a little bit expensive, keep in mind that a good way to end your shave after you've put over your body cream and this and that you're all set, have a coffee, have a hot chocolate, have a pumpkin spice latte, just to give a little more warmth and coziness to your body. Give yourself a little break, because shaving your body takes a long time, especially if you have never done it before. You're getting in all the crevices and everything. It could take an hour and a half in your bathtub shaving. You start to get a lot better at it. I can usually get it in at about 40-45 minutes, but even after that, it is tiring. Just wrap yourself in a blanket like Homer Simpson when he said, "I'm just like a toasty, warm cinnamon bun," and have a nice, soothing, comforting beverage for you. So I hope that clears up a lot on what to expect really when you are shaving. It is a lovely thing. It is very rewarding. I have given you all you need to know about shaving for the first time. It is a very alien thing, but after you do it for a little bit, you start to run into less problems and you become very good at it. So thanks so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please comment down below. I'm not a big YouTuber, so I will surely answer your questions. Girls, thank you so much. Hopefully this video helped. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.